Hello and welcome back. This video is going to be about buffing. Let me show you what I'm going to be using. Let's just begin. First of all, these are going to be all the materials that are going to be used. This is a compound that I'm using. It's one of the best compounds actually that I have ever used. I used to use the 3M product, the perfected product, but I noticed that this one, the Wizard, cuts a lot quicker, polishes a lot quicker than the 3M products. So I'm going to be using that. You can use this compound with foam, with a foam pad, or you can use it with a wool pad. I'm going to be using it with a wool pad because my my buffer has that a quick disconnect, so that's what I'm going to be using. I've been using the wool pad for years, so that's what I'm going to continue using. Also, I have the foam, which is going to be for the polishing, for the part number 2, the machine polish. That's what it's going to be used. You can also use the foam with that one. All right, next you're gonna have, I'm gonna go with this one, the Deer abrasives. This is a 2000 grit sandpaper right here. Let me open it up real quick. Right there, 2000 grit. That's to start cutting the clear. Then I'm going to be using a Trizac. This is 3000 grit, but both of these are going to be used with an interface pad. You do need an interface pad to do the cut and buff, guys. I recommend it. It's going to cut the clear a lot quicker. So you do need a DA and your polisher. This is a DeWalt polisher with variable speed. So let's just begin. Let me show you how to do it. This is the door that I'm going to be buffing. I already buffed the entire truck, but I'm just going to show you on this door. I did the exact same process to the entire vehicle. So let me start sanding it. I'm going to start with 2000 grit. Remember, install your interface pad. You are going to need it. Got your sandpaper right here. Let's begin. All of these products, guys, the Wizard products and all that, you can get them at High Q Paints. Just tell them Faraway sent you. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description below. They got everything you need to do your buffing. And now you can see that it's dull. There's no orange peel. Now this is 2000 grit. Now I'm gonna move to 3000 grit. 3000 grit, it's been applied. Let's start sanding. There it is with the 3000 grit sandpaper. It's ready to buff. Let's bring the buffer, make this shine. right there. As you can see how quick it brings out the shine with Wizards. Real nice. Beautiful. Now, you might be asking, how come you're not going all the way down? Down here, all this portion, it has a texture for the rocks. Most of the trucks have them, so there's no need for me to buff that down there. I don't want to take that texture out, but there it is. Now that it's buffed, get your compound number 2 from Wizard and eliminate all the swirls that might be there. You do need your black foam pad to use that liquid. Let me apply it, start buffing. And there it is. That is how you do the buffing. I did exactly the same thing to the entire truck, and all we need to do now is just wash it, get it ready for that customer. Let me wash it and show it to you how it came out. And here it is. What do you guys think? Looks really nice. Came out really nice. And as you can see, the paint matched. So you can paint the car in pieces. The only thing is, use the same can. If you buy 2 gallons, mix it together so that you'll have one uniform gallon. But there it is. And this is going to be it for this video. Thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel. Hit those links below so that you can help out. If you want those materials that I use to buff the truck, the links are in the description. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video. I hope you like this build. And like always, God bless.